Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HD01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your Dyson HD01 has a damaged cable, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can occur due to wear and tear over time or accidental damage. If left unfixed, a damaged cable can lead to further issues, including overheating or a complete failure of your vacuum cleaner, which can be quite inconvenient. To get started with the repair, you will need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a pair of wire cutters, electrical tape, and a replacement cable compatible with the Dyson HD01. First, ensure your vacuum cleaner is unplugged and lay it on a flat surface. Carefully use the screwdriver to remove the screws securing the main body of the vacuum cleaner. Make sure to keep the screws safe as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the casing, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Inside, locate the cable connection point. The damaged cable will typically be found near the motor area. Use the wire cutters to carefully cut away any frayed or damaged sections of the cable. If you see any exposed wires, it's crucial to replace the entire section of cable rather than trying to repair it. Take your replacement cable and connect it to the motor, ensuring that the connections are secure. You might need to strip the ends of the new cable to expose the copper wires for a proper connection. After connecting the new cable, use electrical tape to secure the connections and prevent any short circuits. Be cautious not to damage any nearby components while working in this area. Once everything is connected, carefully reassemble the vacuum cleaner by aligning the casing and reinserting the screws. Ensure everything is tight and secure, then plug in your Dyson HD01 to test if it works. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from happening again, it's essential to handle your Dyson HD01 with care and avoid yanking on the cable when unplugging. Regularly check the cable for any signs of wear, and store your vacuum in a safe place when not in use. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.